Hello guys, I'm Rose Amaras and I'm the creator of 3dplotter, and today I'm going to show you a very highly requested new feature of the 3dplotter platform. So a lot of people requested a way to make the 3D models that they have into an SVG and then have them in 3dplotter into drawings. So if you are a legacy user, and if you are like here from the beginning, as you had the ability of the bundle to have all the new features, now you're gonna also experience 3D to SVG. If you are a new user that you bought the bundle, you are getting access also to the 3D to SVG. And if you are a user after we introduced bundle and you just bought 3dplotter, you can buy it as an add-on. So we are in the dashboard, and we go to the selection, we select 3D to SVG, and now we upload the model. In my case, I really like this one. It is Donald Duck. So we can choose the position of the model, and we can start rendering SVGs. So here we have the blueprint, hat, spiral, slices. This is my second favorite. I really like this one. Wireframe, points, which takes a little bit to render. You're gonna see why. And text it. This is my number one favorite. So from now, if we have chosen our printer, we can press draw G-code and it downloads the G-code, so we can put it directly in the SD card, or we can download it as an SVG, or we can open it in 3dplotter. So as you see, it goes directly to our canvas, and from here we can do what we do in 3dplotter. So let's put them all on the same line, let's say. And now we have all our ducks in a row. So in the next step of the video, I'm going to show you how the 3D printer draws it and the end result. Take the marker, and now we choose the file. We wait to print now. Actually draw, not print, sorry. And that's so easy. Like, it didn't take us even 3 minutes. Just see the head. I'm gonna see the little body. .xyz, the easiest way to turn your 3D printer into a pen plotter.